as you can tell, I have the truck in the garage, which I thought I had a lot less room than I thought, but I actually have maybe half a foot there, where I kind of kept rolling it back, because I was scared of these hinges and that handle there to hit the bumper. Turns out it does fit, and I actually had more room than I thought, but whatever, it's in. And I'm actually doing I'm gonna be doing the license plate lights today, because anyways, so if you can see, I have the stock halogen plate lights here. You can see this one's on. Looks cloudy and kind of dirty there. Doesn't light up the plate that well. And then this one's just completely burnt out. So today I'm gonna fix that with this.
All the bullets that we dodging, all the bones in the garden, never beg for a pardon. Cash in before the house.
How many boxes and packages is there for this? So here they are. The connectors, these are supposed to be plug and play. Get a better look at it here. So you can see that these are LED bulbs instead of the yellow halogen ones. So I'm hoping that these will turn out good. You'll see the tab here. Let's try it out. Well, that wasn't meant to happen. Okay, I got one bulb out. So there was no instructions or anything, but my understanding is that this connects in to where the OEM bulb goes in. I really don't know, if I want to be honest, kind of going as I go, because this is the whole housing and everything being replaced, not just the bulb. Now that is a lot better. So now I have to change the other side. I probably should have left the side that worked in and replaced the LED on this side so you can see a direct comparison, but wow, that is destroyed. Let me see if I can't you can see it better when I hold this one. See? Big difference. Oh, it flashed. Come on. Ah. Ha. Oh, it's just being a pain in my ass, because why wouldn't it? No. Nope. Okay, it's a weak connection. Boom. Finally, it worked, and holy crap. Yeah. That's a success. Double success. Really happy with how that turned out. And that is the license plate LED light install with the housings. It's better to spend your money on the housing and the bulb just to connect it rather than just the bulb. At least in my case, because if you look at the state of my housings, they're both clouded over and dirty and garbage. Whereas these are brand new and they look very good, very bright. Well, now I think I'm gonna pull the truck out and I'll check it out in the daylight. And kind of shutting off the light, you can get a better idea of just how bright the plate lights are. go. You can see it a bit more in the daylight. Just how bright these are. You can see the light on the plate in broad daylight. Again, I'm really impressed with these lights. I just bought them off of Amazon. I think they were 20 bucks. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe this is helping one of you guys out. Let me know in the comments if it did. Be sure to subscribe since the Ford Ranger build is gonna be starting. And I'm just doing little things here and there just to tide it over. So anyways guys, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.